Hi guys. So today is a little bit different. It's going to be a tribute to my good friend Allison Bowles from high school. She passed away yesterday. So I did a little bit of a tribute to her by doing my makeup how I used to do it in high school and adding little bits of her, like freckles. And one day she wore this like crazy purple lipstick to school for, I think it was Halloween, or maybe just because she felt like it. But all I remember is that everybody thought it was so rad. So today I will be wearing that same shade. So I put a little bit of foundation. I think I've moved on to contour by now. Of course I have. You guys know I love it. I didn't wear a lot of foundation back in the day because they didn't have anything that matched me. So this is basically what I did. I would have like 3 different colors of foundation and I would just try to make it work best I could. So I'm kind of mimicking that with my highlight now from Wet n Wild. And again, my highlight pen from C.Y.O. And I'm just putting it in the super dark areas the way it really needs it. And of course the bridge of my nose because I want it to pop. Because I was a crazy contour fiend when I was a kid. Alright, we're setting it all with this illuminating powder. It's a banana color. Alright, and of course I love this Urban Decay shapeshifter. Gotta carve out the jawline, which I did constantly. I wanted to be Naomi Campbell, so I wanted to be emaciated looking. Using the eyeshadow palette, I used to wear a lot of blue and a lot of black. Just going to put it on the outside edges to give that super cat feel because I always loved having a cat eye. I was really goth in high school. Yeah, really, really goth. And I only used like 2 colors, so there you have it. Alright, bringing it down on the bottom because I would always mess up and put mascara down there, so I decided to make it look smudgy so that people wouldn't know I messed up. So right now I'm doing my super fat cat liner from Days of When. I still do it sometimes, but not quite as dramatic as this unless I'm going to like a premiere or some kind of makeup function. But yeah, I would usually make that black line go all the way to my hairline. So this is me tame. Now I'm hitting my brows with the Urban Decay Brow Beater in dark. Love this pencil. It's absolute perfect. Taupe is cool. That's my L'Oreal Superstar Mascara with the 2 parts, primer and mascara. Love, love, love it. It's my new fave. So now I'm setting the lighter parts of my face with the Marc Jacobs 500. Now I'm going in to set the contour with my Cover FX G90. It smooths it out too. And now I'm hitting that highlight from Wet n Wild. It's a pearl, because I'm a girl. Ooh, and here's a purple lipstick. This is Iman. It's called Taboo. I love, love, love it. I got it in the Onyx box last month. And there you have it. But wait! There's more. The freckles. This is Chestnut from Benai. Polka dotted all over my face and then softened because I didn't want it to be too crazy. She had amazing freckles. There you have it. Love and miss you. Bye.